Hey, I'm Big Jeff from Big Jeff Online. I started all this out of the trunk of my car in Miami, Florida, selling security cameras and other things, and it grew into car audio, which has always been my passion. Always been my passion. Bigger and bigger and bigger. Here we are again, Big Jeff. I am he, you are you. Let's not get that mixed up. But I'm bringing another product from Black Diamond Audio. This one gets me a little mixed up when they started coming out. This is the DIA XT6. I consider it a hybrid. You can call it a coaxial or you call it a loudspeaker. I really don't know. So give me the comments. Try to be nice because I'm explaining why it's kind of confusing. This is a loudspeaker, so it's a mid-bass, mid-range, full-range loudspeaker, but it's a hybrid also. When they first started making the hybrid, you actually used to have to twist a driver on them, and it would come through, and then you would get a driver output. Okay, kind of cool, really loud, but you had to have some major depth. So this one here actually puts a super tweeter, a bullet super tweeter, and we call them super tweeters. We're not talking about your little soft domes or any of that. They're just made to get loud. While we're opening it, obviously you can see it's got some styrofoam in there for packaging, protects the woofer. There is a manual in here, and basic specs, 6.5 inch. These are 4 ohm, and it's 4 ohm total, meaning the tweeter and the driver together are 4 ohm. Cool thing, and this is a beefy speaker, it is only 225 watts RMS, 450 watts peak. Sensitivity is rated at 96 dB. But let's go back real quick to the price, $69.99, and wherever you buy them, if you buy more than one, you're going to get a discount. But for 70 bucks, you want to get loud. They are sold singular, so you're going to spend 140 or so. But it's going to get loud. This does have on the woofer side, it is a Kapton, K-A-P-T-O-N coil. Paper cloth, which I believe paper is much better with sound. 27 ounce magnet, and then on the tweeter side, it is a 1-inch aluminum alloy. Now, the magnet material on the tweeter is actually neodymium. So if you're looking at the price now, it's not that bad. But here's the cool thing. The depth of both of it together is only 3.07 of an inch. So basically a little over 3 inches is your mounting depth. That's not bad at all. So I'm gonna put this to the side. Let's pull this thing out. So I'm going to put this to the side, and we're going to open this up. So I'm going to tell you, for the price, really, it is not bad at all. Here's a few reasons. One, you're getting this tremendous neodymium tweeter. This thing screams. Now, I can't play it on here, and even if I could, how could you tell how loud it is? But I can tell you from personal experience, this thing screams. Underneath, if you notice, they've already supplied you with a capacitor, a base block, or whatever you want to call it, that's already soldered in for the tweeter. So you only need to connect positive and negative from your full range amp, or if you're using a high pass crossover, and this will already cross over the tweeter. Another cool fact, if you do overpower it, usually you pop the cap, so you could just replace that if you wanted to. But that's really cool. They have a rubber, pretty thick around the magnet, so you're not touching metal, no grounding out. Usual Black Diamond stamped into this nice shiny black. It's a nice looking speaker, man. It's beefy, and for the price, the amount of sound you get out of it is incredible. I know looks like probably 3 other different speakers that you can think of, but you know, most of these things are made over in the same factories. So by the price point and the quality and the look, I just think that would look real nice in a vehicle. That black with the shiny, looks like they have coated the cone. So it's paper, but it's coated. So if you're in dry heat or humidity areas, you won't worry about that just breaking down over time like they used to do years ago. You can find this at Big Jeff Audio website. All orders do come with freebies. We have knives, lights, cups, backpacks, shirts, hats. I mean, it goes on, but we always give out free stuff. We like to give back. Obviously, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. And we're starting to do some more and more videos so you can see what the product looks like. And I'll let you take a look. That is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, signing off, Big Jeff here. Love you. See you at the next video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and share and comment if there's something you'd like us to go over, unbox, talk about. Leave your comments. My team is going to get it. We have a customer service team that will respond, and I will try to get it on the next video. Thank you, and stay safe.